property management.
Son, are you stupid? Did they not teach you this in school? Property management is when you manage the property. It's right in the sentence.
Dad, what is property management? They never even taught us in school. I'm just 5.
Want to talk to your teacher? You both are as stupid as each other. I'm calling him this instant.
Dad, you don't even have his number.
Shut up!
Wait, who's calling? Wait, are you Carlos' dad? How did you get my number?
Of course I know your phone number. You're standing at 300, not 400,000.
How do you know my... never mind. Wait, okay, what do you want to talk about?
I want to tell you and ask you why you are not teaching my son and your class about property management.
He's just 5. Like, what the property management? Ask that to principal.
5 is the amount of your brain cells.
God damn.
What the hell you say to me?
Carlos' dad, what are you doing to your son?
Is that your business, fancy windbreaker guy? You look like you bought that crap from Temu.
God damn, my dad is actually roasting me so hard.
What the hell you say to me, boy? This is gonna be a satisfying experience.